Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to create task in Jira. So simply you have to select the project. So here we have two projects. Simply open the projects. So when you open the projects you can see here the multiple tasks available. So how to create a task, simply click on create button. So here select the project. So under the project select the task, and now here type the summary, like I'm typing the random words here. You can also type words according to your recommendation. So simply after this here you can add the description. You can also change the fonts of description. Now here check the signs, and simply you can also change the priority medium to high, and you can also browse the task template. So after completing this you have to simply click on the create button. So when you click on create button your tasks will be easily created. So this is the simple way to create a task in Jira.